guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very simple look that I use for church. I want to start doing like little makeup looks that I do in the mornings, like while I get ready for church. Sometimes I'm in a rush, so I do a certain look. Sometimes I do just add a little bit of glitz just to make myself look a little bit more picked up, because usually I look exhausted in the morning. So if you guys would like to see how this is done, please keep on watching. finished look. I will put my hair down. It's just right now it's so hot, I'm gonna have it up. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys really did enjoy that video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it, and comment me on the comments below on what else would you like to see as my morning get readies. I would really like show you what you want to see. I do not mind. So yeah, have an awesome day and may God bless you guys. Bye.